So in this video I'm going to show you how to change a standard UPVC handle with a low profile one. Take a Stanley knife and pop off the white caps to reveal the screws. Open the handle and unscrew the hidden screw underneath. Close the handle and unscrew the screw above. Take your new handle. Now you might need to cut down the spindle, and if you do, you can use a junior hacksaw. And just pop the new handle back in place and put the top screw back in. Open the handle and put the bottom screw back in, and if you need to, pull on the handle just to stop the window from opening. In your pack you'll find a key and a new cover cap. Pop that back in and you're done. Just show you the other one quickly. So handle up, unscrew the bottom screw first. This allows you to lock the window so that when you're pushing, the screws don't fall out the window. It's just much easier. So take the screws out, take your handle, pop it back in there. Top screw back in first. Open the handle. And there we have it. And that's how easy it is to change a handle.